favorite end-of-summer dresses from Fashion Over Curve.
The dress is undoubtedly the most effortless and powerful clothing item, as it can instantly pull you together for day or night, or both, and in most cases with one zip. Femininity, in all its forms, ruled on the runways, so it is no surprise that dresses were abundant. Among the spring-summer dress trends were draped frocks that clung, sheer styles that skimmed the body, and mini versions that showcased almost the entirety of the leg, all while celebrating the female form. Textures and craftsmanship took the spotlight this season, especially in accessories, while also making a strong presence in apparel. Black and white textured hand knits graced Kate's runway, and Hirelome, a brand dedicated to supporting Mexican and Latin American designers, showcased crochet dresses made. Hey, y'all, if you love fierce fashion and curvy queens strutting their stuff, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We've got more curves than a country road, and more style that your ex could handle. Don't just scroll, stick around and join the best glam fam on the internet.
Hi, I'm Lauren. Check out some of my favorite basic dresses from Fashion Over Curve.
In collaboration with Bolivian artisans. Meanwhile, designers like Phoebe Philo proposed a modern shirt dress that seamlessly transitions from work to holiday. Style it with brogues or pumps for the office, and switch to sandals, as Proenza Schooler did, for anywhere else. If you're seeking something more graphic, the striped dress is a must-have. Stripes appeared in various widths, sometimes with pops of color, and were featured on unexpected silhouettes. But no spring wardrobe could be complete without a floral piece. There was choice aplenty this season, as florals took on fresh interpretations, bringing new life to the classic pattern. Among print trends is another vying for your attention. Enter the polka dot print dress. Thanks to initial inspiration from the runways at Moschino and Carolina Herrera, there are modern interpretations showcasing draped, twisted, and strapless silhouettes.